All right. Recording check. Connection check. Okay. So, good morning and welcome back to another video, I can say. So today I'm going to watch the movie, one of my favorite movies, of course, Mufasa. And yeah, The Lion King has always been a part of my childhood, everyone's childhood, and it holds a very special place for everyone, I guess, who watched the movie, who know the movie. And today, 20th of December 2024, the movie Mufasa is releasing. I've been waiting for this movie for the past 6-7 months, when from the moment the teaser was announced, and I can't really wait to go and watch the movie. I am currently the only one in the movie theater, so I'm not really sure if they are gonna play the movie or not. If they do, then it would be an epic, epic feat for me, because see, going alone for a movie, but being alone in the whole theater and watching the movie and having the whole theater for yourself, that would be an achievement for me if that happens. So I'm praying that it happens and I hopefully get to watch the movie. Let's see, hopefully it goes well. Even if it doesn't, then I'll probably switch my location from Mulund to Ghatkopar, I guess, and I'll watch the movie somewhere else. So yeah, it's currently 8:26 a.m. and my movie is at 9 a.m. So yeah, I'm going to go there directly now. Look at the smog. Wow, winter is here, but it's not really that chilly. It's not like super chill or something. It's normal. It's like 24 or 23 degrees Celsius something. In Mumbai, it's always like that. It's never really that cold. It's never really that... Oh, it's always very hot, but it's not really that cold ever. Man, hopefully the times change soon and there is winter, like a nice cold chilly winter. I mean, of course, not for those who don't like winter, but for me, people like me who love winter, that would be a good thing. And yeah, this time my mount is stable because I fixed the string that was loosened up in the last video, the Suzuki motor vlog. Yeah, that was literally wobbling across my whole helmet setup, the whole camera. This time it's firm, not that bad. Yeah, it's good. I will consider getting the chin mount as Saurabh suggested last time, but I'm not really sure about my consistency, so that's why I'm not investing much. And फिलहाल कड़की चालू है थोड़ी, so not really gonna spend. Oh, this reminds me of the Batman vlog. You guys remember? I'm going to the same mall, actually, same place. And yeah, a long time back I had made a video of going to the Batman movie with one of my friends. This time I'm alone, but yeah, I'm not gonna go through the LBS because LBS is almost 90% of the time always crowded, and that's why I'm going to go via Mulund. There are multiple ways you can reach the location. Oh, I'm above the speed limit. I didn't realize that. No, but don't worry, I am looking out for the cameras. Did not even give an indicator, bro. You're supposed to give an indicator when you're changing your lane. Okay, what is he doing? No idea. Technically, the LBS would have been an ideal option because it's just straight. But this is also fine. But look at the view, man. Wow. Look at the fog and everything. It's nice, man. It's a nice morning. Going out in the mornings is something that I've missed. Alright. Oh, finally there's a traffic cop over here. Nice. That's a good thing. Yeah, you have to be a little careful with these guys. You never know when they might take a turn or when they might stop or just, you know, pounce on you. I can't really wait, man. Mufasa. This movie I've been waiting since a very long time. I'm probably gonna watch it again. Yeah, Call me crazy, but yeah, people have their own likings and dislikings. Good old days where my friends and I used to hang out here after college and everything, going to the gaming cafe, playing CS 1.6. Damn, for half an hour, 1 hour. Damn, everyone's story of every 90s kids, I guess. Man, it's been 10 years since that. It's really been that long. I can't believe it's been that long. And yeah, man, college days were fun. Now we're just corporate slaves. Oh hey bro, what are you doing, man? There's still 7 seconds left. What's wrong with you? Oh hey, man, that guy's a little... Oh, he's the same guy hanging out his hand from before. Yes, I recognize you, brother. I know you. You're from the highway. The guy with the dangling hand. Yes. Okay, it's really hard with gloves on. Thank you. Take it. Thank you. Ah, yeah, I can park anywhere now. I'm just going to park over here. Okay, so I'm at the mall now, and they are playing the show for me because it's the first show, and luckily वो लोग play कर रहे हैं, so yes, I'm very happy.
I was. Nothing goes.
You'll be safe from the Queen here.
The Queen stole everything.
I can't believe I'm actually here watching the whole movie alone.
It's time to
Interval and I'm still alone. It feels good. The movie is really good, by the way. I don't know what to say. It's been really nice. There's no one here. If you can just hear the silence.
I am Mufasa, a stray with no pride, and yet I stand before you.
Okay, so finally finished the movie and all alone. And what can I say? What a movie it is. Best experience of my life. And it's probably an achievement for me because watching a movie all alone in the theater, damn. So this guy here is Aftab. This is the manager of Miraj Cinemas, and इन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है मूवी के लिए. मैं अकेला था शो के लिए, and this guy ran the show for me, and I'm really happy. भाई बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Time to leave. I cannot say how great my experience was. करता हूँ मैं एक्सप्लेन, बट ये एक ब्यूटीफुल BMW बाइक मुझे दिखी पार्किंग लॉट में. बहुत सही दिख रही है. इट्स G310 RR आई थिंक. या RS3 is missing, but it's a very beautiful bike, man. Nicely done. Saurabh Jha 86 something. Okay, nice. Yeah, well, about the movie experience I will elaborate in some time. Let me just get on the highway or something. Mufasa the Lion King. This movie holds a very special place in my heart, I guess. I'm truly attached to this movie in a very strong sense. What an experience. I'm still not able to process the fact that I went for a movie for a 9 a.m. show, first day, first show. They ran the movie for me. मेरे लिए उन लोग ने मूवी चालू किया. They were originally going to cancel the movie. क्या क्या बोलूँ यार, मुझे ही नहीं समझ रहा है अभी. और damn it, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm really goddamn so much happy right now that I can't even explain things properly. Maybe I'll explain in a while, because right now I'm in a I'm in a zone where yep, that was close, where I can't explain things. Since we're on the way, I'll just tell you about my experience right now. So Mufasa, The Lion King, the movie is totally worth the watch. 100%. I would definitely recommend it for those who absolutely love The Lion King and who have a strong sense of attachment to it. Just like me, I am very, very, very attached to that movie. It's just that the story is so friggin' epic, man. It just gets you. I definitely cried in the end. It's not a thing to be ashamed of. I definitely cried in the end. It was definitely a good feeling. And yeah, man, what an experience. So, whoa, dude, that's a different experience. But my experience was completely awesome, amazing. It did had a rough start in the beginning, because originally, so the thing is, since I was the only person who booked the show, I was literally the only person in the whole freaking theater, and they were going to cancel the show. Not gonna lie, they did come up to me, the people over there, the employees of Miraj Cinemas. They did come in the beginning. The security, in fact, while entering, I told him, he also checked, there's only one guy. He asked with the manager if they are going to continue with the show. He said it's the first day, first show, so it can't be cancelled. So apparently, yeah, that is one of the policies. First day, first show, shows can't be cancelled. And since I was the only one, he did give him the permission to let me through. But later on, as the movie started, there was some technical issue, and they said the show is going to be cancelled, and we cannot play the show, we cannot run the show. And the next show was at 1 p.m. and it was literally like 4 hours from the time that I have gone, like for 9 a.m. show. Waiting till 1 p.m. was like what was a little too much. And so I requested them. They made a few calls. They called the manager in, the manager Aftab. He came up to me, he told me the situation. I explained him that okay, I understand, but can you do something, because it would be a really great thing for me if he did that. And they surely did. He made a few calls, he made the arrangements, he took the scan, he cleared out the technical difficulties or whatever the technical issue was. And man, they ran the show for me. He managed to get everything done, and he said that you can sit, we'll play the show, don't worry. Even though there was a slight issue in the beginning, they did clear it out. And man, what an experience, man. I can't thank them enough for making this happen for me. I would just like to say that I'm really thankful for Miraj Cinemas for letting this happen. It's see, I know it's not really a big deal for a few people. It may not be that much of a big deal, but it is for me. It was a first time experience for me, watching the cinema, watching the movie alone. That too, literally alone, as in the whole theater was empty and there's just me. I watched the movie like a king, like the movie in fact is Mufasa, the Lion King, and I was able to watch the movie like a king. And what a coincidence, man. What an experience, man. What an experience. I mean, shit, I really can't get enough of it, man. I really can't get enough of it. I truly felt blessed. I manifested this movie since a very long time, and it happened, bro. They were going to cancel the show, but it happened. I watched the freaking movie alone. I'm still not able to get over that fact. What an experience, man. What an experience. You guys should really try out. See, there are very few chances that you might get to watch the movie on an empty theater like I did. It was a weekday. I am currently on leave. Yeah, and that's why I was able to make it happen. But still, no other people in the whole theater. It's a very rare occasion. They mostly cancel the shows, but these guys let it happen. It's truly a life achievement for me. It truly is. Is it on? Yeah, it is on. It truly is a life achievement. It's one of my best experiences of my life, and I'm never going to forget this. Mufasa, the Lion King, made it happen. The movie itself is totally amazing. Movie rocks, man. I'm probably going to watch it again. I definitely am gonna watch it again with my friends and family next time. But I wanted to watch it alone. It was just a thing that I had decided for myself, that I will go for this movie. I don't care if anyone is there or not. I am just going to watch this movie. It just means a lot to me. This movie means a lot to me, and I totally love lions. That's also one of my point, that I am attached to this movie. And the story is so freaking good, man. So freaking good. Disney, you made it, man. Disney, you made it. It is so I'm so overjoyed right now. I'm so freaking, man. I can't, man. I can't. This is truly an achievement for me. Another BMW bike, man. Is this some kind of a sign? Is that a sign? I'm getting, even in the last video I mentioned it. I'm gonna manifest it, I guess. So yeah, it really works. I just wanted to make a video and document my experience. This thing, it's got nothing to do with the views or the YouTube algorithm. Nothing. I just wanted to make this video for myself, as a memory for me of watching the movie, one of my favorite movies. Yes, and just that's it, man. That's it. I don't know what to say. I'm just speechless right now. I'm legit speechless right now. I hope you guys like the video. Share your thoughts, if even like those who go on the movies, like you guys can share your thoughts. You guys share your thoughts, man. Like those who go alone for the movies and all, you guys might have an experience. It makes you feel something more about yourself. It makes it, just, I don't know, man. It just gets you. You guys should really try. Those who haven't tried going to a movie alone, you guys definitely should consider it. And it's a whole other experience, man. Like, of course it's fun with friends and family, but some movies, sometimes it's perfectly normal to go alone and enjoy your truly peaceful time, just by yourself, enjoying the movie by yourself. It truly is amazing, man. It truly is amazing. And share your thoughts in the comments. What do you feel about going to the movies alone? If anyone has been to the movies alone and had a similar experience like mine, like watching the whole movie alone by yourself in the whole freaking theater, then yeah, man, that's a vibe, man. That's definitely a vibe. And do share your thoughts. What do you feel about this? And yeah, I guess I'll just reach home and end the video, I guess. The fuck, man. People don't really use the indicators. That's wonderful. I didn't know that. People are not aware of the indicators. Plus his side mirror was gone. Like, dude, what the hell are you doing, man? Oh, and also there were so many moments in the movie which were a very huge reference for the most important scene in The Lion King. One of the signature moves that Scar has, that movie represented that in so many ways and so many times, man. It was like a scary goosebump, man, watching that scene in that way. Of course it was a little different in this one. You'll get it when you watch the movie. You'll understand what I'm saying when you watch the movie.